need to go to the ticket machine. Just press, and you will get a ticket. Just press. When it's your turn, your number will show on the TV screen and a voice will call it out.
Deja vu, I've just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go.
Use the button on the wall to open the door. The person who will take your bottom in, they will call you down and show you
You tell the receptionist that you have The nurse might be a man.
Yeah, or cock!
The nurse will talk to you about your form and your health action plan.
What about who cares?
They will put a needle in your arm. The doctor will talk to you about your You show the doctor your After your health check, you can
Go to Jolly Pirate Donuts, take a tour of shit!